Bia Kamal ka Nuer online TV channel. Ner malagan yam ka nasan content barash me ba jaling. Lera bana lat ka jan gwas me ler ka kwiwich nasir. Ka rajan shalat ka kwi kamesh ni ke do badan lar ka jen ba mesh ba ka kebin winimi. Che ka warga mesh akula gor gwas me gan wertin gujen wo she chuong ko dong de mech tintere wich kanasir tit kan en konti la hali ki ji wich no de ka kep kire wich ka South Sudan ba she nasir de mai de ka tok ka kaptino raja me ka tin konti lien ka tin konti lat ka rodien so jen gor jen o be jen wa ye kelone ko do badan en chanon ka jang gwasme bana raj kama nana shalat kamesh ne re wich ka South Sudan ka nasir you know gwada dan en la dor nuere ko ala ngai kon lat karodian so bana je gwikel bana leran bana je chu gwikel chimenen yan mago turo mo gwasame en ler ban len gwasame shala ne do sie chuang no de kamesh ni de je tok re wich kanasir men lat ke ngani kini de kontil activists malat kene longwasame kene de wojni de inten county la de ni South Sudan People Defense Force kan de wojare woj ano ka de Unified Force kan de lasledo re woj kanasir neme be ko minen yana ne ko la mala clash ke de ni South Sudan People Defense Force kene ne ko la hale re wojen winimi so ko kujemo cha gurno dong de ne tin kon tin la hali dawich de kan le la clash ke de kan nyen ke de kan ga kan ne kon la de ni South Sudan People Defense Force kujimo de ye woine ka kan ne kon tin la de ni South Sudan so de unified force de jadan la chalgan o e la national army ke de ni kon ganga which kan kon de las let de tere which kan asra jen do bana chalat kjen so en nasir che diajen wajen yamadan de target ko de mej de ka captain anamo shimogwa mijek ko shedia chuang na me mishala ni konti la activist kerin go jeno ma che chuang baje kuin yo gwasme ka gwada na sha gorga je ngwantin kontin chi warga mi chikena gor Nasser should not be the first country to be disarmed in the country. We demand only the replacement of South Sudan People Defense Force with necessary unified force to be deployed. In Nasser, not disarmament. The people of Nasser should not be the first target to be disarmed by unorganized, improper, and political strategic disarmament by the South Sudan People Defense Force under the Salva Kiir Mayardit. Menen yana gwas menere konan kapka mech take interest to go. Ngai ke jeno na una ka kwingwini la nama la riak ana nyok kene ko mete kon ten na tia changcha kwa kwi politika ba chaga de kepte me chaga de kepke je do dan ya de kepke je jebe jatin naga nuore gangaru den mete kon tet kedien ano a changcha ko guje no dong me ba ko wuch dong me kum so dan no dong ko la kene nyen ano andera o de ka kep ko ga nyen kum so dan dio ja kane te la gur ter na chondien ngum sha kam ga chondien mu ter gan chondien ko dong de boy ne mech te ne dien ka jano sha murle na ga na shang cha ga wo cha me cha wo chen ken ko korun kum so dan der kon wo ni me de kon de ted murle ne de te ko ken de ko briale ka okay we, the people of Nasser, are popular demand only for the relocation of the current stationed force of South Sudan People Defense Force in Nasser, who are in the town for almost a decade, period to the signing of the 2018 peace agreement. Can chika titina gwa ber long beneka ron kin dangre wuda walba dek me chamal cha je tan ko ne ko la dini ko dere wika ka Nasser kin ko la nyin kana no wal kanori so misha mal cha tan chu chu tere wich telmilarik. The South Sudan People Defense Force in the county headquarters were not brought for the purpose of civilian protection and territorial integrity, rather for forceful enforcement of South Sudan People Defense Force to overtaken the strategic tone as per the civil war. And go be done non ke de ni South Sudan ke cha non ko bi ke na bi ke na bagang chi ke jiwo chi jan non ko ne bi kan which nasir bi kan bi kap ka bom lo ba kulu we sha ishi kum South Sudan chi wo ma kap no mi shi mal ko bende ke jen chi mi shi ma chala de tamal teten de ke jen do no shit do ko de kan me ne den kon kuru den la gang de kan kula kap ko tamal ten mi shi mal chi ben ngum shi kan jen ga je ba hali ba ga ban de wich bi bene ne ko la unified force bi bi kel ka hali yo mete ga mete ka ko yo ba chu be je ka ne ko la unified force ko me man ka ba ko men na ro den ko den ci kay civilian mena karo karo den gela ma ka kuma bana me ngode pe ngode jega so cha me cha de ka banasir anyok mulle de ko de megen kon kep de me de kon de re we kan asir ke winde ko ken re nuari de ga kula de kula nyok ma kap ke because the war now is ended they should be replaced this South Sudanese People Defense Force and redeploy to another location if they are not in a good relation with the civil population in the area. Therefore, the signing of the Khartoum Peace Declaration, we come to the revitalized agreement on resolution of the conflict in the Republic of South Sudan and the establishment of Artigun see the hostility throughout the country, and the force was expected to be relocated as per the agreement. Tame shal malat keje shala do ko tam maltetin kaneti baga yiglo jok. Bigi yiglo jok ko chimal jedtin. Mi malatin chikan de ngore we kanasir. Duno ko ngoda te ko ken gorkan ke kuji mo kan gor no de ko lo jok. Jan kwa wargam la gor je no de ke yigjen. Therefore, the necessary unified force are supposed to be deployed all over the country as per the security arrangement, and the current SSPDF in Nasir, Ayut, Wat, and Fangak are also supposed to be relocated. A lot the Netala South Sudan people fan post in Teka Nasir, in Teka Ayut, in Teka Wat, in Teka Fagak, can the Alawa de Kanyo with the Nangwaradin. Coach Kor Chatere, Chatoka de Nong Unified Force, Techa Ngeko Deka with the Kanamat. And this reason, the people of Nasir are demanding their political right, as it is written in the agreement that the force should be withdrawn and replaced with the necessary unified force. Well, and we are not against the disarmament, but disarmament should be done through the principle of peace agreement, which stipulates to authorize it and the necessary unified force to disarm civil population in the country. And any form of disarmament, apart from necessary unified force, is the violation of the 2018 peace agreement and the cessation of the hostility in the country. Therefore, we reject the unilateral decision to start illegal disarmament in Nasser with Salva Kiir fractional force called South Sudan People Defense Force. We need to redeploy of the force and the employment of NUF or National Unified Force, necessary unified force in Nasser, and the completion of the security arrangement for the disarmament to take place in the whole country, not in Nasser only. Any form of disarmament apart from necessary unified force will be met with high resistance and void. We need the clarification for the ongoing process to deploy force. Once again, in Greater Nasser earlier this week, the official post in the office of the government acknowledged the ongoing process of getting the armed force toward Nasser and advocate that they are unified force, but we are dated that the unified force are yet armed to operate smoothly. It is advisable to update the community, particularly in Nasser, about who are they to avoid the unnecessary clash in our country. You don't need self-care government force once again, but peace force called unified force as was stipulated in the agreement. So na me jen message cha gor gwal chen ramdana gor chen belalar du no men tin jene wane rekonen be chala da kan bugu benen form o e kan ka yi unified force in kon be me be kan o kabre we kan asar du no shi unified force tika ga mer diem lekene ka kuje mo shi chonko de kan me hal de kan ga kep me shi jan dong ba tika rol mutu ko hal ngai jene no shi kan ngali ngan titi an rambu beno ba me hal ba kep dio je be be ma ko do ba dan chalat ka je janan go de nyo yekel ko ngaje je gwanu en de charialka ya bene jenere wait ka greta panal ka malakal bere wait ka nasir kan wolang bene ka my wood kan video ko kena to ko dobra ni shala reja gwai an bata mal ban je mum dien bye bye